This round is 20 minutes. So for the second time tonight, Supersonic. Sonic.
Alright, Jimmy. Jimmy got 2 forwards all round. And it was tunes that he never voiced, that cut way before he was on the sound. But right now, Jimmy, alright, move. I'm gonna play that song here.
Hey, this is pure disrespect. Enough disrespect, pure disrespect, sound guy.
Let's Supersonic turn on now.
So could you step aside now? Supersonic come to take over.
No, you're gonna feel me come for play.
You don't know who you're playing with, so it's time
to move your blood clot.
Won't you step aside now and let me show you how the bands are run dance. So
they got some bass on the mic.
Yeah, you need good plates and some on away for.
They got some bass.
Yeah, sound guy, you not ready. Try to test out the champion sound.
You want to tell me about how to play for New York? Like at the first time you come here.
Gonna regret every moment.
Come on,
yeah, we are gonna trample you till you black and blue.
And then you come and tell me, say we take selfie in front of liberate status and them. I'm not coming here for sightseeing New York. I don't want me come and check and me take a picture. Come and pay my blood clot respect to New York City. Everybody who in the sound clash world. Like LP, Earthula, Spectrum, and the whole Addies family. Me pay my blood clot respect. Nothing wrong taking a picture from done one, no. Play my tune.
Supersonic, yeah. I'm the real cure. Supersonic, man, you don't know.
Jimmy, you don't have no music like me. You have no blood clot music.
Nothing like no sound. Nothing like no sound. Nothing like no sound. Hey.
You're not no blood and you start comedy already.
No sound, nothing like no sound. Hey, sunny day. Supersonic way.
And you tell be a lie on the blood clot people. I be a liar there, boy.
Supersonic challenge sound. My prison of rise, Babylon applauding for building an evilous world. Police and the Christ.
New York, you ever hear them kind of sizzler tune?
Seeing all them twist and twirl. My prison rise, Babylon's applauding for building an evilous world. Police and Christ.
I want him and I like his blood clot stinking petty thief and liar.
There's nothing in them system of which they create.
Look come on with teeth but to water.
Wicked man is going.
I be a liar and thief.
Down, 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 down.
Jimmy! Jimmy!
See ya, yo, yo. See the wicked man will have to fall. And the righteous man will have to stand tall. And the wrong man, them go call. Now them back against the wall, them fall.
Jimmy, I love the sound clash thing too much. I love sound clash too much to make it turn in a comedian.
Yeah, gunshot bust them head in a 2-hour. When Supersonic attack, the fool them come along.
We can't afford Jimmy turn this in a blood clot comedy show. And a blood clot comedy.
I'ma say yeah, attack a bundle boy building now. Supersonic sound. I saw big 50 caliber go shoot down over them. This sound. Danny Fire, crime require.
Berlin, blood clot back.
Come on, Mr. Alta Skelter. Supersonic.
Jimmy.
And tell them we bust it in a them blood clot for real.
Jimmy, how you go teach me for play for New York? Me play in New York and win trophy before you even start play blood clot sound. Yeah, little baby. Press three, Panzer. Never ever tell me about Lila Ike again. When you check out our Facebook, I never use it. It's Panzer, threw him at the bars. Him post 2 years ago when we play a dance and we bust a Lila Ike tune. First time she ever make a record. This is Lila Ike, Proto J, and Agent Sasko.
They won't learn. They want you now. So now they're not gonna get the hard way.
And you know me now if pay a blood clot sent for the truth.
Supersonic I go kill them all. Well they don't learn. So now they're not gonna get the hard way. They don't learn. Hey, well Supersonic we say dog box fill again, sound get kill again. This means a Supersonic a real blood spiller then, real crowd thriller then. Is a free for all, can't get peace at all. Sound a fly well like a piece of ball. See it's all clear and evident, caused by the decadence. Kill them with intelligence and we not left no evidence.
Who I say Lila Ike?
Go church,
Sasko and Proto J.
Different sound a set the roots. Hey, man talk back, no one sing about them thing ya. When sound can't even manage so we drop them in a pin ya. Fling them out through the car window and clog up the chain. Then when the killing start a Supersonic get the blame. Sound boy it is a shame. More time I feel embarrassed to be part of this generation, causing all these havocs. Man about that a sound won't even care about them offspring. Bumbo clap, me stop sing.
I say not another word when I go no further. If you're this Supersonic then I'm murder.
Who no listen?
They want to test we but we find that they have lost their way.
Listen!
I say not another word when I go no further. Them sound a fry like burger. Supersonic kill them so you know it is the end of the
Supersonic sound, Selena Ike and Protege. There's so much more to say. Supersonic I go murder sound with all these dubs they play, lad.
Pull up. Alright? No more Lila argument, alright? No more new tune argument. But see right now,
Supersonic, explosive. And this is what we got to give Johnny Osbourne and Shabba Ranks a big thing.
Tonight is not about social media. Yes, so the life.
Champion sound. It is written that line lives in abomination to the Lord. Speak the truth, speak the cast.
People, listen, real.
Whoever select the wrong, the plate.
You get the best.
Hear this. Surrender your sound and all of your dub play.
What?
The truth is there for who appears.
As a matter of fact, you never see a dub plate.
Partially at no
You
place.
need to laptop business and CD. Look at your PlayStation where your baby mother gave you.
Prophecy.
Look.
I say, sound boy run, come to truth and rights. Supersonic the bound.
Yeah.
You know the
Jimmy can't use PlayStation for play music.
from the area. You know the truth and rights. A Supersonic from the border sound.
Jimmy, you want Shabba tell you something?
No.
Shabba tell Jimmy.
Me I tell them say, and the wickedest sound we ever play. We play the people night and day. That is our way. We kill, jump and without delay. Yo, don't play it, a play like machine guns.
What did happen the last time when you was clashing here? Jimmy, Delaware is not too far.
Take a ride, sound boy, take a ride. Take a ride and leave the dance hall. Take a ride, sound.
And you know the sad thing about this,
Sonic groove.
they always see you alone.
The
Facebook is your life.
This stuff cannot be measured in amount. So much me can't count. No DVD can't kill we sound. And what a word amount.
Panzer, what did I say?
Yeah.
The last time Jimmy was clashing in this place,
Be free now.
you get lock off, right?
Sound boy, now. Mash it already, come for mash it again.
Lord.
Mash it already, come for mash it again.
Lord.
Teeth and tongue say it must have for meat. Don't you know
And I wanna
every
play.
run deep Supersonic.
Jimmy, I want to hear all the boo juice where you copy from LP and Addies on the Punani. I want to hear you play them.
Supersonic sound for them. Supersonic now side no learn. Don't play it about something a sound boy and sound for them. Supersonic now.
Wait, what you say? You play that like my Chronic Law where you play in your first round. The government. Get the fuck out of here.
Kill them now. Whoa, we kill them.
Jimmy, you're dead.
Kill them.
You kill them now.
All that shit not go help you.
You kill them now.
It not go help him.
And I sing glory, glory, hallelujah. Some boy dead, them go lean up in the corner. Tell them Supersonic sound, take
when they re-rock.
And not a sound boy can't come cross. You kill them now. Supersonic, you kill them now. You kill them now. Me say, whoa, you kill them now.
Hey, well, Supersonic don't fear no sound. No, we don't need no.
Leave on Supersonic. Anytime I'm on the way, I feel by Yanni. Do it, Jade.
Jimmy,
What's it
we say your prayers this morning, though.
Son boy, you ready to die? You ready to lose?
I know.
Son boy, you better pray. Supersonic, got nothing to lose. Dirty up some shoes. Ready to die, them ready to lose.
But me don't know if I play for New York.
Oh, you better
Get the fuck out of here.
Supersonic.
You little housewife, bitch.
Ninja Ford from right, let me gun.
Show me your face. I know
Me don't know if I play for New York.
we don't know what the world is. Hey, carpenter, carpenter, how do you do? Oh, make me a coffin, start to make a few. This is Supersonic, we are only passing through. Gonna tell some jump on.
Yeah, you got the cross in there.
One time, motherfucking niggas, you know it's one time. Hey, yo, what up for them fools? They should know we got them fools, motherfucker.
Housewife.
Hey, yo. So now go dead. Tell them no giving arguments. Supersonic kill them bumbo whole a big statement. So now go.
What's up? What's wrong, housewife? Delaware's housewife, episode 3. Can you realize Jimmy every day they put social media? Anybody ever see Jimmy work? Only ever see Jimmy work every day they put social media live at home with his kids. You're a housewife, bitch.
No little sound boy bar. I walk to them.
You're a housewife, bitch.
Go get dismissed. Find themselves up on the dead sound list. Supersonic give a this. Spider teacher with no apprentice. Hey. Well, we've been through the Gaza and the gully. Survive, whole heap of fights without money.
No, no, listen.
The sound boy is our biggest hobby. When it comes to killing Supersonic, where you have it. Tonight we are gonna lock them up. Idiot sound of lock up. If you love the Sonic, well you.
I don't know, see you are the man at home. You bring your money at home.
Show me honor, all original Supersonic fans. So me go so them, show me honor still. If you no ready, figure take the bang me.
And Jimmy, don't tell me about New York City, cause I'm driving up and down in Amabima over here, you know.
Some boy a fool.
Bye, 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 bye. And Supersonic Bojo, Shabaran can walk tight. You like me, Jama.
New York, what's the blood clot here? Who's here?
Hey, Spider the driver. Tell them say you won't stop at all. Kill them in a Germany or in a New York. You're the driver. Tell them say you won't ever hit.
Bojo!
Oh, you murder son boy, you kill them quick. Real driver, true survivor. Yo, with an external phone on a singular chip. Any sound this, you just find we on this. I put some boy.
Yo, Jimmy!
When I turn the down a shit.
Jimmy! I waited for some arguments. I waited for arguments.
Lose it, hey, you must be crazy. They trying to test Supersonic sound boy. You got to be crazy. They trying to.
You saw the record, right? Jimmy saw the record.
Watch this. Hey, Mr. Undertaker, build them a coffin. Oh, no, that's a mistake.
No, we only need one, cause Jimmy don't have no friends. He have no family. Is he alone for the sound?
A Supersonic, them can't stand it. A wicked sound man. What we do? We'll send another song home. Home, Supersonic, we are send them home. Yeah, we'll send another song home.
I pull up the panzer. I want to play a special tune when I cut for tonight. Cause Jimmy, I like 3 customs we have for you. We invoice more, but we have tune for you, trust me. You see that one here where you listen good.
Supersonic. This is extra blood clot exclusive.
Rise up the one of the blood clot gun them.
New York, I want you listen.
Jimmy's Spliff, damn fool, acting like a rock star, spending lots of money on his fake splash dub box. Supersonic murder you, this'll be a bloodbath. King Shine, watch out tonight, you're getting locked up. Got no mercy, you sound too whack. You're about to lose the belt, you can't have it back. Supersonic,
where's busy?
World Fight Club and just play until
listen.
The morning.
Yeah, Mr. Rise my guns and kill some sound. We are go murder jump on right now. We are go rise up the dubs and kill some sound. A Supersonic go murder jump on right now. We are go kill them in a the clash. Now go take no chat. Pussy violate, you know them skull it a fake crack. Supersonic run the town, killing jump and sound. Sound boy violate, you know we send them underground. Supersonic sound a kill everything. Ready for slaughter every last thing. Supersonic sound a...
Oh wait, say one more. The Clash supposed to be in Brooklyn, right? But it moved to Queens. I want to big up everybody from Brooklyn in the house right now. Panzer, where you touch on Junior?
Hear me no Berlin. Germany and the body violate to make gunshot burn.
Low comedy thing.
Oh, yo. One like said they made it campus. When they hear it, but man,
New York couldn't listen on the cut through.
We don't love it, people. Rising my feet and run the moon. Hands up, step in on the scheme. Empty a clip in a some sun boy mood. Supersonic, no love it, people.
As I say, we are doing this 20 blood clad years.
Tell Spider to step in on the scheme. Hear me no blender, hey Grace. Give boy one in and they make me the top of ground.
No plate from Toppers.
6.
Yo, New York, don't tell me the cut not bad.
Supersonic. Alright. Pull up in a the bima. NEC and cranberry the killer no drink. Girl a boom to the rhythm, say she want Supersonic, say she have a good and say she
listen.
Hey, listen good at 30 for me clip a show. Fridge badness, we no smell like in a son grow up in a house like America Kush. We bad long time.
Is that done?
Barefoot Supersonic. We are like a globe, enough girl in a willy and look like back road. Dark with the weed, better carry off bomb.
Jimmy, you can't blood clot style me.
When I'm sound Supersonic. Our circle no grounds and nothing never stuck a throat like fish bone. Super.
You start playing music 2009.
It don't chip like Chinese phone. Have a billion, a million, and we cologne. Clean to the bone up in the crime zone.
How long we are doing this?
Like big stone. When we touch the road, we gonna rim scrum Supersonic. We style them a beat them. The style them a beat them. Them know we are 90s. Them a eat and we have 87.
New York, what we are telling?
The style them a beat them. The style them a beat them.
We are
billions we spend with the G them. We no play our yard down.
One more.
Hey Supersonic. You know say when war start, we never panic.
Girl, now me not hear you play one new tune. Not one.
Tell them a 666 when the 6 roll out. 6 Glock, 6 shot fly through 6 buck. Funeral day 6 man not carry box.
You know not a girl.
Play some new music.
Supersonic, tell them. Hey Supersonic, when I see bad man, tell them this. So go to woman, well we hypocrite tell them. Does this sound boy know? How we energy them want drain with them hypocrite tell.
One more, Panzer.
Can't go do that, none of that.
One more.
So once we win, can't see we fail. Supersonic now going.
Jimmy, don't tell me you're not cut not one new tune for the dance. Not even one. One?
Sir, hear me no Spider, hey Grace. Them say fi turn it up, we turn it to one notch again. We money enough, we get them no for that.
Never play some new music.
So because remember we no got a lot of friends. What say them a shatter them? Why you know what pants?
Why you know?
Hey Spider, hey Chris, blender them. Hear me no or no. Lift up the AR, do one turn it on.
I heard what happened here last time, Panzer.
Supersonic sound. Yeah. Yo, Panzer.
New York, man, I'm gonna spend my money for the cash flow.
Where we there? We up down. Great splendor. We a live life good.
How do I feel some new tune, man? 2019.
Supersonic. We
with a volcano. Make money fall like rain.
Jimmy, you have to spend some money on the Clash too, you know. Let me hear some new tune from you.
Yo, I wanna set for Supersonic sound and make some noise.